Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched an electronic voucher-based digital payment system e-Rupee on 2nd August 2021. The platform will be a person-specific and purpose-specific payment system. The launching of e-Rupee confirms India's first step towards a digital currency in the country. Hi everyone, my name is Rakhi Bhojwani and in this video, I'll dive you into basic understanding of what e-Rupee is and how it will work. So, what is e-Rupee? e-Rupee is a person-specific digital payment solution. It is contactless and the details of recipient are kept confidential. e-Rupee will be shared with the recipients by the government or organizations through SMS or QR code. Also, transactions through e-Rupee are more reliable and faster. Do you also want to know about the benefits of e-Rupee? There will be plenty of benefits of Indian e-Rupee digital payment system. I'll tell you a few. With e-Rupee, there will be no physical interference. It will connect the sponsor of services and beneficiaries directly, thus eradicating the physical interference. As it will come in as prepaid vouchers, users will have to just tap and pay. There will be no need of cards, net banking or mobile banking. Let me also clear your doubts on what are e-Rupee vouchers and how they will be issued. e-Rupee is an e-voucher which will be conveyed to recipients as a QR code or SMS string-based voucher. Any administration, organization and enterprise can produce e-Rupee vouchers through their banks. A recipient will be needed to show QR code or SMS message to the dealer who will check something similar and confirmation code will be shipped off the recipient's telephone number. The last should impart the code on the vendor and the installment will be effective. Confused about how to download and use e-Rupee app? I'll tell you the procedure in simple steps. First, open your Play Store and download the e-Rupee app. Now, start the e-Rupee app and register yourself as a new user. For registration, enter your mobile number. After logging in, you will see many e-Rupee vouchers. Select any voucher you want to use or gift and then click on the buy button. Now you have bought the e-Rupee voucher. You can avail the benefits directly from the service provider. You can even send it to the person's mobile number. This can be done through a QR code or SMS. The beneficiary can scan the QR code and use the voucher. To conclude this, e-Rupee is a revolutionary initiative taken by India. It is regulated digital currency that is more reliable and faster. It does transactions through SMS and QR code and is completely confidential. It has no physical interference and is very beneficial for the public. All you have to do is just download e-Rupee app on the Play Store and register yourself. If you are running a business and want to create your bookkeeping work easier and more organized or looking for an accounting software, check out ProfitBooks. ProfitBooks is the simplest and fastest accounting software which also offers some of the best bookkeeping solutions. For more information, you can check out profitbooks.net. You can also ask your doubts regarding e-Rupee in the comment section and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.